Welcome to another video on our channel. Today we are going to discuss an important and interesting question which may comes in your upcoming interview. So please watch this entire video to understand this clearly. So the question is find the two words are anagrams, are valid anagrams or not. So what is meant by an anagram? So the problem contains two words or two strings. The strings contain letters. So we have to compare these two words. The characters, the frequencies of characters is equal to the frequency of characters in word 2. So let's say you have the word one is cat or cat. The second word is tag, PAC. So the CAT also we can reverse this, or we can do something and we can get the word 2. So the problem also the same. So we need to contain all the characters of word 1 in word 2. Then we call it as a valid anagram. So if it is a valid anagram, we need to return true, otherwise false. Let's try to solve this question.
Hey, hi there. Today we'll see this problem. So the question says that we have two strings, namely S and T. We need to return true if it is an anagram, or otherwise we need to return false. So what is meant by anagram? So if you closely look at this example 2, we have rat and car as two words. So S and T. So rat, R-A-T. Here we are missing T. Otherwise, the same characters in T also present in S also. So because of this C extra character, we don't have this in character 1, or this T we don't have in character 2. That's why we are getting an output of false. Otherwise, if it is a rat and tar, TAR, then it is true. So hope you got my point. We'll try to code this. So for this we need to take a function. This function name will be is anagram. Is anagram. Okay. So this contains two strings S and T. So we need to console log, because it always returns only true or false. So I need to console log is anagram. I will pass the same input car and car, right? Car. Okay. So we need to get output false. I think a rat and car, right? Rat and the car. Okay. So now I'll code this. So I'll explain you my approach. I will take one object. So this object will be like this. So this object is an empty initially. So what I will do is for every character in the string S1. So let's say the R. So R. Initially we don't have R. It is empty object. So I'll take this R as a key and I'll update this value. Initially the value will be empty. So I'll keep 1. So if by going through this string, if I found R another time, let's say we have R here. So this is the second time when we reach R. Then I'll update this 1 to 2 by adding +1. So I'll increment this. So by doing this, we will get like this. Okay, R and the A will be 1. Okay, and again T will be 1. So when we get R, it will becomes 2, right? So 2. So like this. So for this second question, C. So I will try to find the C in this. We don't have C anywhere. So I will end this program here and I print false. Let's say we have a T in place of just assume. So T. what I will do is I will go to t. I found t. Okay, I'll do -1, so it becomes 0. I'll go to a and I'll do it 0. I'll go to r. This r also, let's imagine it will be 1 and I'll do 0. So what happened was, every value will become 0. So I will go through this object. Every key must contain 0. If it is not 0, then again I'll say it is not an anagram. So if situation is like this, so every key value will be 0, then it is an anagram. So hope you got my point. I'll try to code this. Okay, I will take one object cost obj equal to this empty object. So what I will do is I will take a for loop to go through the S1. So I will replace this character to initial rat. Sorry, car. So for let char of S1. So for every character in S1, what I will do is I will take object of character. So object of character, we need to check this. We need to update the value of object of character. Object of character, if it is not there, so let's say it is undefined. Undefined means we need to add 0 or 0. So or will do this 5. Then say if it is not there, 0. Otherwise, add 1 to this plus 1. Okay. By this way, if I do console log of object, so this is S, not S1. I will clear this. So we are getting R, A, T as 111 value. So for again, I will take another for loop. This time let char will be from T. So we need to check. So if the object of character is not exist. So let's say if object of character, so this means object of character equal to undefined. We need to return false. Okay, false. Otherwise, object of character value will be decreased by 1. Object of character equal to object of character -1. So it will be decreased by 1. So now we got all these things. So we will just console log to check if it is working or not. So console log object. So for this example, we are taking rat and char, right? So for rat, r becomes 1, a becomes 1, t becomes 1. For c, when we are searching for c, then it becomes false. So because it is not exist. So this is working. So what I will do here is, let's say tar for now. So tar, and keep this console log here only, just to understand. Okay, by console logging this, so we are getting 0 values. So if it is really anagram, we need to get all the zeros, just to show you of this. So this object, we need to do another for loop for let distinct key in object. So we need to take r one time, a one time, 0 one time. If key is not equal to 0, we need to return false. Otherwise, after completing all this, we need to return true. So let's see what output we are getting. Let's say if it is t, still we are getting. For let key in object, I'll try to print this. So we are getting R A T, what we have given. So this is not the correct way. We need to give object of key. If object of key not equal to 0, then we need to return false. Okay. So here we are getting true for this example. If I do see, so we are getting false. Thanks for watching this video. Please do follow our channel, and I will do as many questions as possible. Every day I'll upload videos in this channel. Please do subscribe. Thank you.